Mommy có bao giờ ý ra đam mê không? Please, mommy. Đam mê không? Bây giờ thì mình bà biết một bữa cho tụi mà mình để ra này sao? Cái này nó tụi mà bây giờ tụi tôi cho thì mình tụi con nhà này có rồi bạn. A long time ago, an old woman said to an orphan boy,
Nitu, kau yo cuy apa ni
the orphan boy said,
그거 빨리 듣다 그쯤만 근저 그쯤만 제 그쯤만 미안해.
Then the old woman said,
Kau ini yo tahu sama, mujur dan tu ke yang tahu, yo mau jong lên jong tu tahu tu ke dah, kau tahu kau papai tu video lo, lời nak cái gì kau lari nè, tu kau sao tahu yo tu cai con giờ, nhiều chuyện cho lá sự liền, thằng con nữ cho lá sự liền được cái giờ đi cả lo chỉ cho lên nè.
So the orphan sat by the road and watched. There were many people coming by on the road. Some were dressed in silk and silvery clothes and were very attractive. Then he saw three sisters walking up. He grabbed the sister with a pink lache and held onto it. Negojopa looked at him and said, He didn't do as she asked. Her older sister said, Negojopa tried to ruffle herself up to scare him, like a hen does with her feathers. He just said,
cái gì qua cũng thấy không nha.
She went with him and she married him. First, Negojopa took some leaves and changed them into a beautiful house. Then she took off her ring and changed it into a rice pot. Then she took off her bracelet and changed it into a stove. She took half a grain of rice and a flour. He thought it was too little. He asked. She said. She changed it into a pot full of rice and a cooked chicken. The orphan was surprised and knew he had a good wife. He was happy and rich. But after a long time of watching their happiness, a neighbor girl, Negogoko, said, She was jealous. She thought, Then she said to the orphan, Con tụi con để mình thể mình hầu ra trong trà mình hầu cho con ra trong trà để mình hay có tụi con để khép bài của mình được con bây giờ tụi con để trong For 3 days, the neighbor girl and Gogo girl said to the orphan, "Con tụi con này mình thể, vì mình trong câu hay là con tụi con này kẹp bài của mình được con."
Let's keep it friendly. You have to play fair. See, I don't care, but I know she ain't no wrong shit.
So orphan said to his wife, "Nè cô ra ba."
Mua tôi nhẹ mua những món đồ rồi để xài gió của
Many days of this went on, and finally, one day he told his wife to go away. But his wife didn't want to go away. She said, "Because I need to go." The orphan began to tell her regularly to go away.
xài gió món đồ ta xài gió cơ
So the orphan's wife went to the lake. She walked into it. She said,
Thôi có gì hay cô cứ đã khá lo.
but the husband didn't say anything. Then the wife said,
Thôi có gì đi chi cũng hỗ trợ hay cô cứ đã khá lo.
but the husband didn't say anything. The wife then said,
Thôi có gì đi chi cũng đùa hay cô cứ đã khá lo.
but the husband didn't say anything. The wife implored him.
Thôi có gì đi chi cũng cha đã hay cô cứ đã khá lo.
But the husband still didn't say anything. And then the water was over his wife's head. She was gone. The orphan went home, but his house was gone and only leaves were in its place. He said,
ôi kiểu trẻ này
He married the neighbor girl, Nikokuka, but he was not happy. He took to regularly visiting the lake where his wife was. He sat down by the lake and cried. A frog that happened to be nearby heard him and said,
ê đừng vợ cái đó quá sao bỏ cái thứ nhà cô giống ba
cũng mà hồi đến đây còn đã thọ để cũng mà bỏ
có tụi bây giờ nó giống ba ta chỉ có chỉ tao mua
So the frog drank and drank. He drank half the water and his stomach got very big. The orphan laughed. And the frog's stomach burst open. Push! The water went back